Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program using Perl programming language or the practical extraction reporting language that will divide the two given numbers. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the description, a video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today in my two websites for free. I repeat, for free. So here we go. I'm using online GDB. So we have here my dollar numerator. We have 100. So this is the first variable, my dollar denominator. We have 10. So assignment statement here, my dollar result, dollar numerator divide dollar denominator. So we have here the result. So we are expecting 10. So when I click the run button, result is 10. Okay, another example. Let's see, we change this one to, let's see, 50. And then we have here 5. So when I click the run button, we have also the result of 10. We have here, let's say, another example, 64, and then we have 8. When I click the run button, we have 8. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to divide two numbers using Perl or Practical Extraction Reporting Language developed by Larry Perl way back in 1987. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.